In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a photo on Snapchat without it showing up as a media upload. Whether you're doing this for privacy reasons to make your snaps look more natural, or you simply want to keep your shared images looking authentic, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your phone settings and make sure your software is up to date. This ensures all features work smoothly and prevents any app glitches. Once that's done, open your Photos app and choose any picture you'd like to send on Snapchat. Tap the share icon, and from the available options, select Copy Photo. This will copy your chosen image to the clipboard. Next, open your Snapchat app. Take a random snap, it can be anything, even a blank wall or your desk. After taking the snap, tap the T text icon at the top right to add text. Now, tap and hold in the text box until the paste option appears, and then tap Paste. Instantly, the image you copied earlier will appear directly on the snap. So you can resize or move the pasted photo to adjust how it looks. Once you're happy with the placement, simply send it like you would with any normal snap. The best part? It won't show the From Camera Roll label, so it appears just like a freshly taken snap, subtle and clean. To make sure this trick works perfectly, double-check that your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version and your internet connection is stable. Outdated versions might not support this clipboard paste feature, so keeping your app up to date is essential. After you send it, you'll notice the recipient sees it as a regular snap instead of a media upload. You can repeat this trick for multiple photos, and it works great for quick image sharing without leaving traces of your camera roll. It's also a good idea to test this with a friend first, just to confirm it appears exactly how you want it to. This little privacy trick keeps your snaps more authentic and gives you extra control over what others see. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to send snaps without media upload on Snapchat easily and safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Snapchat tips and tricks.